I tried making my lips look like Padme, but I don't necessarily think it's giving what I wanted it to give. I don't want to do this whole video and then see at the end of it all that my lips look stupid the whole time, so I'm gonna just wipe them off really quickly and we'll see what happens. If you can already tell by talking about Padme, today's video is Star Wars themed. May the 4th is coming up very, very soon, and I wanted to do a YouTube video on how to do lightsaber liner. I thought you'd be able to see my shirt more, but it has the droids, my favorite characters. And I'm also wearing my Star Wars jewelry from one of my favorite brands, Girls Crew. I have this Ahsoka necklace, and I also have let me zoom in a little bit here. I have lightsabers, Princess Leia, Chewie, and then in my other ear, I have the lightsabers, Darth, and a stormtrooper. See if you can see Ahsoka. There you go. Yeah, you can see Ahsoka. And then also to the right of me, I have all of my Star Wars Legos. So I'm a huge Star Wars fan. That being said, I'm going to be using ColourPop's Star Wars palette today to do this tutorial. But you can do this with any eyeshadow palettes that you want. Like, I could do it with any of these other ColourPop Star Wars palettes too. The big reveal. I love this palette so much because I feel like it captures the light side and the dark side so well. Before I do the actual eyeliner, I'm going to dip into the shade Alliance and just put that all over my lid. And then just to blend it out a bit more, I'm dipping into the shade Starfighter. Now let's get to the liner part. I personally think you can use any white eyeliner, whether it's water activated, a felt tip, a brush tip. It's just really up to your preference, but I like to use a felt tip. So I'm going to be using ColourPop's felt tip white eyeliner in the shade Graceland. And then you just draw it in whatever shape you want. I try to look straight ahead when doing my eyeliner all the time because I have very deep set eyes, so I want to make sure the shape stays the same when my eyes are open. So I look straight ahead into the mirror. Now that we have our eyeliner shape on both sides, we're going to dip back into the palette and we're going to grab a pencil brush. This does not have to be a clean application at all. On my right side, I'm going to dip into the shade Galactic Empire, and I'm going to just start lightly tapping along the eyeliner that I drew. I'm trying to do nice light little patting motions or nice light swiping motions. I'm really not trying to go too heavy-handed or else it's going to rub the eyeliner off and ruin the look. Now that I finished up on that eye, I'm going to do blue on this side. This is in the shade Jedi Knight. So now we're going to go back in with the eyeliner and we're just going to go right over what we drew to begin with. This is going to give us the neon effect. Look at the difference between this side and this side. You can see what I mean by how reapplying the white eyeliner really makes the neon effect pop. And now we have both sides done. I'm just going to do my inner corner now. I'm going to add this white eyeliner pencil, also from ColourPop. This is in the shade Exit. I took Hyperdrive, which is like a duochrome, and I put that over my lid, and I'm gonna take my pinky and dip into the shade Rebel Princess, which is also a duochrome with like blue and pink pinpoints, and I'm gonna put that over the white pencil in my corner because I love a good white inner corner moment. I think it's a cute highlight shade too. Just did some finishing touches off cam, and this is the final look. I think lightsaber eyeliner is such a fun and easy way for makeup lovers of all levels. What's nice is that you don't have to worry about being precise at all. And it's fairly recognizable, at least in my opinion. It's like when I go around, people are like, I also think this technique is really fun if you're going to like any other event or like theme that has to do with neon. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and leave a comment down below. And if you'd love to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.